Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Earning Hacks. Today I am telling now USDT mining website. If you want, you can see my withdrawal proof, live withdrawal proof in my wallet. If you want to earn money, click on the video link description. After click on account, you can see sign up interface and create an account. Click fill in email address, password, re-enter password, telegram number, and you can fill WhatsApp number and register an account. After creating an account, I will tell next process, and you can see latest announcement, company detail, foreign name, industrial, and you can see next process, and then you can click on next. You can see total assist balance, account, commission account, and term account, and you can see many options like recharge, withdrawal, all details, application. If you want to download this application, click on the application, and you can see the download application, and you can see join of the members and come to profit, and you can scroll down, you can see legal white paper. After click on legal white paper, you can see company's legal papers. Then you can see many interface and AL invite and mine section. If you want to earn more money, you can click on recharge and copy the address, and click on copy address. Your address was copied, and then go back to home screen and open on Trust Wallet account. I will open Trust Wallet account. Then I will tell next process, and click on the USDT deposit section, and I click on send and paste address and paste amount, and then click next. You can recharge successfully. Then you have successfully recharged. After next process, and click on Predico, and you can purchase amount, and daily rate daily interest आपको 3%, and cycle 2 days, and income type settlement principal and interest to maturity, and click on buy it now. You can successfully completed, and you can see this interface and many VIP sections, and last VIP section daily rate, interest rate 30%, and investment and यहाँ पे 180 days cycles, and income types आपको settle principal and interest at maturity, and click on buy it now. You can purchase it. Guys, if you want to earn more money, you can click on the and copy the link and share with your friends like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you can join us and team wise commissions. Team A commissions like 10%, team B commission was 5%, and team C commissions are 3%. And if you guys any problem like deposit, withdrawal, and you can see investment problems, you can this solution Telegram customer service support. And guys, if you want to like many process and all details, and you can click on details, all announcement, rebate, commissions, you can see all details, and you can see all commission account, term account, and AL account, and you can see mine options, and you can see notified transfer, withdrawal, financial record, you can see investment records and financial records, commission record, term record, and you can see investment project. And if you want to more money, earn money, how to can withdrawal amount, you can click on withdrawal sections, and if you want to click on description, click on withdrawal section. You can select payment method like USDT and TRX. I will select USDT and fill in an amount, and you can see the address, and you will talk, and you think how to withdraw address. Go back to home screen and click on Trust Wallet account, and open the Trust Wallet account, and then I will tell next, and click on TRX and click on receive sections and copy the address. After copy the address, you can click on paste and turn address and fill the password and go back to sure. If you want to click on the sure, and you can withdraw